Hi guys, my name is Pushpendra and in this tutorial I'm going to tell you about navigation controller. What is the navigation controller actually? If you are going from one controller to another controller and you want to navigate back to the same controller, then you have to handle this functionality with the help of navigation controller. Now practically I am showing you what is navigation controller actually. Let's say you are on setting tab. Here you are clicking on general. After general, you are clicking on about, and now you want to go back to the same screen. So this is the navigation controller. Navigate from one screen to another screen. So we will implement this functionality in a very easy way and in a very, let's do a programming for that and see the output. What will be the output, how it will looks like, how it will work. So guys, here I am creating new project with the name navigation example. Location I'm giving desktop. So that's it. This is our base project, and here is the storyboard. Now here we will create a navigation controller. First we will take more controller for that, so that we can navigate from one controller to another controller. We are just taking normal view controller, one more, and one navigation controller. Click on view controller, editor, click on editor, embedded in navigation controller. So you have seen that now one navigation bar automatically comes to this navigation controller. So in this navigation controller we will take only two buttons. These two controller we will navigate from this one, and this navigation controller we will navigate from this one. So let's have a look. Button, I'm not taking any design for this one, I'm just saying. So we have two button now. If we click on this one, then this one should show. If we click on this one, then this one should show. Again from here, copy and paste this button. If we click on this one, and this will be a third one. Rename this button. If we click on this one, then this view controller should show. So now let's have a look on the output. I think this will be the expected output. Okay, this error means we have to use as initial view controller, because whenever we run an application, then our compiler will look forward to the main view controller. But here, because of this, our main controller was not here. That's why we need to check this is initial view controller. So now we will look to the output and see this is the main view controller. Now view first one. If we click on, then first view controller will come. If we click on this one, then another view controller will come. Back, view second will come. So wonderful, it is working as expected. So if you have any doubt in this video, you can comment at the bottom and I will reply immediately on that. If you want any video on different topic, then you can comment on the bottom. So happy coding guys, have a great time, bye bye.